Hello there. So you cannot open a file in MS document and it just gave you an error message like this. Well, in this video, we are going to teach you how to unlock document in Microsoft Office. Welcome to Tech Key, your daily guide to tech. Okay, let's start. Click on the file you want to unlock. Hit right-click and choose Property. Click on these three buttons in sequence. Check Unlock. Click Apply. And then hit that OK button. And it's done. You may now open the document in Microsoft Office. Let's try it. Unlock, Apply, and that OK button. Easy. Let us now check if it worked. Wait for the loading, and here we go. Your document is now open. If this video helped you, click on the like button, comment down below for more tutorials like this, and do not forget to click that subscribe button to keep posted.